Whether you're making videos as a side hustle or your full-time hustle, the way you get jobs, the way you do those jobs, and the way you get paid is very different now. That's why I want to talk to you about rethinking your video hustle. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Paul Stephen Forrest. I'm an award-winning writer, director, and creative coach who's been working in television for over 40 years. I'm also the author of the Amazon best-selling book, You Gotta See This, Hidden Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos People Will Talk About. I teach video makers how to tell better unscripted stories. In my book, I point out that the old way to hustle was to develop a local network and work where you live. But the new way to hustle is to develop a broader presence, find jobs at home and outside your zip code. So let me give you 4 hustle tips to get you started. You're going to want to write these down. Are you ready? Number 1, change your thinking. Rather than thinking of yourself as a freelancer chasing gigs, see yourself owning a business selling you, your skills, and your experience. Number 2, develop a plan. You've got to know your customer and how to reach them. So don't just focus on the local guy who books you a couple times a year. Start looking for new clients everywhere. Have a short game and a longer game. Number 3, become a specialist. Look at your market and find a specific niche. Niche. Then own that category. Target businesses that need the higher end work you really want to do. Work that allows you to scale your income. Number 4, show your best work. Having examples of your best work available to send to clients is so important because they want to see that you have the creative chops to elevate your projects. The pros I work with display their work on Vimeo. If you want to elevate your work, grow your business, scale your income, focus your hustle, and stand out in your space, my book, You Gotta See This, can help. The insights and takeaways I've packed into it can change your thinking, your process, and even your career. You can download a copy on Amazon, BookBaby, or Barnes & Noble, or by clicking on the link in the description below. I also have a free unscripted video story guide that lays out my award-winning creative process and workflow that you can download too. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so you'll know when I post new content to help you make videos people will talk about. Okay, are you ready for the takeaway? If your competition is doing better work and booking more jobs, and you want to move up to the creative big leagues, you've got to rethink your video hustle now. My book and these videos can help you do that. You can always go to my YouTube channel and reference some of the other videos that I've posted with tips and tricks that can help you tell better unscripted stories. Thanks for watching.